Let's check the different types of mechanical keyboards. There are three types. First, the linear switches. They move straight down with no bump and no click. They're smooth, fast, and perfect for competitive gaming. They are in red or black. Next, tactile switches. When you press the key, you'll feel a small bump. It tells your fingers the key has registered, without making a loud click. Great for typing, studying, and office work. They are in brown color. Clicky switches. They have a bump and a loud click every single press. They're satisfying to use, but everyone around you will definitely know you're typing. They are in blue color. Choose linear if you love gaming. Choose tactile if you type a lot. And choose clicky if you enjoy that classic mechanical keyboard sound. So, which one would you choose?